Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to clear hyperlinks in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and you can see here I wrote one word YouTube, okay, and I added on the link of YouTube. So you can see I added the hyperlink on this word. Okay, when I keep cursor on it, you can see the link is showing, and when you click on it, the YouTube will open in browser. See, again I go to the Excel, and here I show you how to clear this hyperlink. Okay, go to the home tab. In editing group have a clear option. You can see when I keep cursor on this option, the clear name is showing. Then click on this drop down arrow and click on the clear hyperlink. That's it, and just double click on the YouTube and see, now YouTube not open because its link is clear, hyperlink is clear. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.